2023. This is the trading log. So yeah, Bank Nifty opened with a sort of a gap down. It opened around at 44,279, which was less than yesterday. So I had a calls buy on hold. So I immediately booked a loss of 500 rupees. So yeah, they started with a bad note, but no harm, no foul, because the loss wasn't much. So there was supposed to be a RBI meet at 10 to from 10 to 10:30. So for that I didn't take any trades. I waited, and this was the chart in the beginning of the day. VIX was around 11.47 and was rising, and I could see that HDFC is in a strong positive rally. This was the first take. Okay, so that's how the day started. Then the news came out. I had this one point also is there, that Kotak already had maxed out. It was barely resisting, just resisting the fall. As you can see, I have taken the screenshot at that point of time also, and the indices somewhat looked like this. As you can see, it's like all are green, but Kotak was bang red and like that. Okay, so now we'll go back to the zero the chart. Where is it? Yeah, Nifty Bank Indexes, Nifty Bank Indexes. One second. Coming back to the chart, this is a 5-minute chart. Let me put it to the 15-minute candle. Yeah. So yeah, this today market opened around like this. Yeah, and it went like this. This was the time when the RBI news was happening and all. So there was some sort of an up movement. Everyone was expecting it to stabilize, and then like there were notions about further bull rally or a bearish movement, but it somehow went back to the initial position and was trading between around 44,200 and 44,350. Yeah, so this first spot 44,200 was a very important resistance, where it like touched the level many a times and then went back like that. It was like straddling between these two range. So the yeah. Okay, so I have written a lot of things actually. So market was straddling around at 4,500. This was the start around 11. Uh, right before 11, like when the news broke and everything was there, out there. So I sold a call around at 45,000 for next expiry with a 1,000 point hedge. 4 lot call I sold, and then at 11 around I got balanced. I sold uh, puts 4 lots again for 15th expiry, because Bank Nifty today was expiry, so I was doing trades with quantities, small quantities, and with a expiry with the next expiry. Yeah, so around 11:30 I had the strategy, like if it goes around between 4,000, 44,500 or 44,300, 44,000, then next support will be at like 44,370, which is the previous day, which was the previous day high. Yeah, if you look at the day candle, yeah, there it is, 44,370. Yeah, this was the mark. Yeah, 345, 370, like that. So I made a mistake here. Yeah, it should be 345. Okay, so I was holding positions, and yeah, one more thing, I had a put bought around at 44,400 at the money, because Nifty actually broke the 18,700 barrier, and the Nifty low broke at around 44,300. It was straddling. So yeah, I bought this put at that position, and I held the positions with a complete bearish view and a little bit of balance. Okay, so the next resistance, if you go back to the chart, yeah, so around 130 I was like holding positions, and it went down and up, and it was like going through the same range. So I was waiting for like 230. When I had a discussion with the expert, and he also suggested that wait till 230 and then take the call accordingly. Let's see what happens. So I was waiting, but meanwhile I was sustaining a bit of losses, little bit here and there, but I made good money on the call. Initially, when the market fell from like here to here, I made good money on the call, so I was not bleeding. I was in profit at the end. So I was waiting. Yeah. Now at around 12:30, Nifty held the 700 18,700 mark. It's traced back, and Bank Nifty spot were around 44,233. So it was like uh, going down towards the next support, which was this 44,200. Yeah, this support, this candle was going on back then. Okay, so again, I sold P two lots to get balanced, because I had 4 call sells and like 2 put sells previously, so I had to get balanced because I was feeling jitters to have a single. Yeah, I noted it down. Yeah, I was feeling jitters to have a single-handed view. Then Nifty broke the 18,700 barrier, and it was sustaining at around 18,685 or something like this. So then I had again a call with the expert, and the discussion resulted into the fact that like if 15-minute candle closes at 12:45 for around at 44,250, so I will do something which didn't follow through, because I didn't take the trade. I waited for like two. I actually, the non indecisive candles were playing with my head so much. This is an important part. Like, you have to keep your psychology steady. You cannot like immediately shift with the shifting level of the market. You have to wait it out. You have to wait for confirmation and then react to it, instead of predicting your and playing by your notions. It's a all wrong move. So I was just holding my ground there. Okay, so around at 209, the chart shot up, corrected itself again. The put call ratio was selling down, but I got confused. Basically, I didn't wrote anything. So the next thing that happened was that instead of Bank Nifty, it because it was straddling here, I shifted to FINNIFTY, because today was expiry, so there is no point, because in the next expiry there was no point taking the next expiry trades, and then this expiry also, it was nearing the ending hours of the market, so I was not being able to see any movement here. So I looked into other options, and even I had a discussion with my expert, and there was also the suggestion to shift. So I, for the first time, I traded FINNIFTY, which is an interesting thing that was happening there, because HDFC was also holding support throughout the day, but somehow all the support systems of Bank Nifty were failing, but somehow it was holding around 44,200. So for the first time I traded FINNIFTY. Yeah, this is the index. So somewhere around this I entered, around this 230 I entered, and then it was breaking. No, not 230, rather 245 I entered when it broke this 19,530 and 520. Yeah, it was getting here, somewhere around here. Then I entered and took a few trades close to the spot. I will do more study and probably get acquainted with this system, the FINNIFTY trade, but I took it anywho, and I was holding positions which was like this, was giving me good profit at a very short time. So I held few of the positions, and towards the end I got to this was the end result basically. Yeah, this is how I ended, because I got balanced and all. These are the positions I have, and I have a profit of 5256, which I held this position. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Every day is a new day, and as I said, I'm just learning, so let's see how well I can learn and catch up to this new thing. Yeah, it's new to me, so looking forward to this FINNIFTY trades. Okay, that's it for today.